An AI company just released a model so powerful. Even big IT companies are paying attention. But most people don't even know its name, Anthropic. And they are not trying to build the fastest AI. They are trying to build the safest AI. That difference could change everything. Before we go deeper, welcome to the DevOps Traveler, where I simplify complex tech into the simple stories. Now, let's understand why this AI company is different from the rest. Right now, there is a silent AI race happening. On one side, companies competing to build the smartest AI, faster, bigger, and more powerful. On the other side, Anthropic, moving differently instead of asking how powerful can AI become. They ask how responsible should AI be. That question is very important because power without control is very dangerous. Let me give you a real example. Imagine a large bank, millions of customers, thousands of transactions per second. Now, imagine that banks start using AI to approve loans automatically. If the AI is just smart but not safe, it might approve risky loans, reject valid customers, make biased decisions, or even expose the private data. One mistake can cost millions. One wrong decision can destroy trust. Now, ask yourself, will that bank choose the fastest AI or the most reliable one? This is where the companies like Anthropic position themselves differently. They are not just building AI for fun conversations. They are building AI for environments where mistakes are expensive. That's why safety matters. Because in real business, accuracy builds trust, trust builds customers, customer builds revenue, and revenue builds the company. Anthropic's AI model is called Claude. If you compare tone, some AI feels energetic, Claude feels calm. Some AI gives 10 ideas quickly, but Claude says, let's think carefully. It focuses on clear reasoning, better logic, safer responses. Basically, it is designed for serious work, not just for entertainment. Now let's be honest. Are people scared of AI? Yes, because Claude can write code, fix bugs, summarize long documents, draft reports, and analyze data in seconds. So, will it replace developers? No, but it will replace people who refuse to adapt. AI will not take your job. Someone using AI better than you might. That is the real shift. And Anthropic recently upgraded Claude. What improved? Smarter reasoning, better coding support, handles large documents, safer answers. This is not about entertainment. This is about enterprise level AI, about responsibility, about trust. Anthropic is clearly saying we are building AI for serious work. The future of AI will not be decided by who builds the smartest model, and it will be decided by who builds the most trusted one. Speed is impressive, trust is powerful, and in the long run, trust wins. If you want simple AI explanation and IT career guidance, follow the DevOps Traveler. See you in the next video.